Too hard, don't stay too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on. Ladies and gentlemen, there's something about this girl, man. From around my way.
Hey guys, it's me, Deja Marie. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video was inspired by these puffer bags that I seen at my beauty supply store. I wanted to know how much they were, and they were $23 a piece, and I figured I could make these same bags at home with scrap fabric, and that's what I'm going to do today. My scrap fabric is just leftover pieces of curtain from a dress that I made years ago. All I'm doing here is measuring and cutting out squares. I'm going to need 4 squares for each bag. The size of your squares is completely up to you, depending on how large or how small you like your bag. Yes, I did cut out rectangles because my material was on the fold, so I can make use of the way that my material was cut previously. So with my 4 squares, I'm going to be making 2 different bags. Once you've got your squares cut out, you're going to flip your pieces so that they're right sides together, and then sew up 3 sides of the square. One of your sides needs to stay open for the stuffing. After sewing your 3 sides, you can turn your material right sides out, making sure to push out your corners, and then you can begin stuffing. For the stuffing, I'm just using pillow fluff. After my pocket is stuffed to my liking, I'm going to create indents in a T-shaped pattern to sew to create my puffer pockets. Then you may sew closed your open edge. After creating 2 of these puffer pocket squares, I'm going to need a strap to hold it all together with. My strap is going to be made to go across the sides, the bottom, and over your shoulder. So I'm going to need a long enough piece, and I'm going to need to cut extra because that little piece right there wasn't long enough. After cutting out all of my strips, I have to sew them all together. Then I'm going to sew them closed and flat, keeping the raw edges on the inside so it keeps it from fraying. After sewing the strap closed, I'm going to need to iron it to keep it flat, and then I'm going to sew it all the way around one of my puffer squares like such. Once it's on, I'm going to flip it over and sew my other puffer square on. This is how my bag is starting to look after sewing the strap along one of the puffer pieces. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the second one on. At this point, my bag is inside out, so now I'm going to turn it right sides out, keeping in mind to press out your corners. Now that that's finished, because my strap is still open, I'm just going to sew it together here, and my purse will be almost finished. Because I was making 2 purses, I ran out of the chocolate colored fabric, so I decided to use a different curtain to use as the strap for the next purse. In order for my project to be officially done, I have to put my name on it. And this is how my purse turned out. I really like the way my purses turned out. I think they're really cute. I think that they're sturdy and they hold a substantial amount of things. I feel like it's an in-between size of a tote and a purse. Like, you could fit quite a bit of stuff in here. Both of the puffer bags that I made are the same size. It's just that one has a crossbody type strap and the other one is an over-the-shoulder type strap. These bags will be for sale on my Depop. The link will be in the description box below. I want to know what you guys think about the bags. Let me know down in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Ladies and gentlemen, there's something about this girl, man.